at my mom's house. Because you know my neighbor's a thief, so I can't be having nothing go over these. So my sneakers came to my camera. I ordered them from Nike. They so cheap, they don't give you no packaging no more. And we are on freedom. This no. This no. So sorry about the rocking. These are Nike Dunk High NGS's Dynamic Berry Coconut Milk. That's what it say. Listen. This what they look like. They don't even wrap your joint in no paper or give you no stuffing no more. Like, what the heck? Okay. These are cute. The colorway is different, I ain't gonna lie. And at first I thought the bottoms was dirty, but they not. It's just a speckle in them. So these are the Women in Nature or something. I don't know. I'll put the, what you call it. But it's like, got all these colors, obviously. It reminded me of like junior high school for some reason. So I got them because I love them. And then the tongue, it's supposed to be an extra long tongue that you can like put messages on. Obviously, I'm not gonna write on them. If I got a second pair, then I would write on them because I know I have a pair to replace them. But and you can just write whatever you want to on there because the tongue is mad long. Yeah, these are cute. This is the bottom. I really thought that they were dirty until I realized it's two-tone up in there. But yeah, these are super cute. But I mean, you could do this in the winter time. That's how you know I really like them, because I don't really do pink, but it's not a highlighter pink. It's really soft. Should I put these on my feet for y'all? I don't know. Hold on.
They're all over her.
Don't pay attention to my other foot. Can you see them?
I'm talking to you. Got the thing on?
Marriage and she's talking to wolves.
Oh my God.
They heard you before?
But it's not what them hearing is what I'm saying.
Oh, nah. That part, they didn't hear that.
Oh.
Okay? Don't talk.
So,
alright? This would look like one. Peace! No, it's not.